Hello everyone. Today I am here with another unboxing. Today I will unbox a gaming keyboard which I bought from Amazon at rupees 800. It has arrived just now and I am going to unbox it. So as you can see, this is a very large package of Amazon, very greatly packaged. So I am going to unbox it. So here's my cutter. So here is this large big package of a keyboard. So here comes the keyboard. Oh wow, what a beauty! This is just oh shit. It has a three color, 19 anti-ghost key, 100,000 polling rate, or M media double injection, Windows lock. You can see here it is made from aluminum alloy, three color black lighting, 19 key roll over, floating key architecture, Mac. It supports Mac and Windows 10 also. It has some technical specifications. Product name is Redgear Blaze Gaming Keyboard. It has 104 keys. Power consumption is 14 milliampere to 120 milliampere. Working voltage is DC, which is direct current, 4.5 to 5.3 volt. Size is 442 into 180 into 42. Weight is almost 1 kg. And switch lifespan keystroke 10 million. Okay. As you can see here, the MRP is written 1300 and I bought it for just only 800 rupees. So it's very good. So I am going to take out the keyboard. I am very happy to see this type of keyboard, as this is my first time buying a gaming keyboard. Here is the wire. Oh, it is braided. This is not a normal cord, it is a braided cord. It's good. That's awesome. Wow. It is just awesome. It has a base of aluminium and then keys. It has a 3 backlighting. You can see when I will turn it on. So here, these are the support which are from the under of the keyboard to lift it up. It is just awesome. I like it very much. So guys, I am going to test it right now by so I am opening this cord. It is very long. That's nice. Oh wow, this is too great. As you guys can see, it has a red background color It is looking like a perfect gaming keyboard. I think this is the very best product I have ever seen or ever bought from Amazon. I did not expect that I will get this much of a great keyboard. So guys, I am going to test it on my laptop. So I am going to open my notepad and just yeah, it's great. And yes, it is a Redgear Blaze Tournament Edition made in China. Oh wow. So guys, we can also change its color by pressing the screen lock button. You can see here the light, here is a light button. So by clicking it once, it will get changed to violet color, and again pressing it, it will off, no color, no light, background light, and again if you press it, red color, blue, violet. So guys, it is a great product. Hit a like, share and subscribe for more videos.